Let me show you how to use award-winning chorizo, beef chorizo, no preservatives, no numbers, and a bell pepper sauce. Let's make a pasta. Get your water good and angry and get some herb salt in. This is going to give a great flavour to our dish. Look, it makes the water go green. In with the pasta. And that's going to cook for 11 minutes. While the pasta's cooking, let's slice the chorizo into slices, as much or as little as you like. A healthy splash of extra virgin olive oil into a pan on a medium to high heat. Get the chorizo in, and we'll start giving that a mix around. While that's happening, let's start on the sauce. Put half the can, or half the jar, not can, of our beautiful sauce. A glass of white wine. Let's give that a blend up and pour that in. So we've got chunky bell pepper and onions and all the goodies that are in there. Pop that in. Splash of cream. That a stir up. Now we want to cook the white wine out, the alcohol out of the white wine. So we're going to bring this up to a boil and simmer it for about 3 minutes. A little bit of cracked pepper in there. Sauce is ready, pasta's done. Give it a quick stir and we're ready to serve. And some of that beautiful goat's cheese log. Just crumble some over the top and whatever herbs you can get your hands on. Happy days, everybody. Hope you enjoy when you try.